My heart slowly choked, but he never left, even when I did. Hasbi Allah, alayhi law tawakkaltu wa ilayhi al-masir. I tied my rope to this dunya tight, but it snapped when the wind didn't feel right. So he taught me to hold the rope unseen, the rope that never breaks, never leans. I said, I'm tired. He whispered, then rest in me. I said, I've lost everything. He replied, now you'll